Why is the fuel report important for the industry? Is it going to change behavior, or is it just a kind of, the broad sentiment and things are better, we know the macro story, it's fine, we'll just read the summary and move on?
I think it's important for the industry because, love it or loathe it, it's a reference document that everybody has a copy of it.
It was originally designed as an internal communication document. And so it wasn't nearly as critical, I guess, on how it was put together. And the other is you can't talk economics, can't talk prices for anti-competitive reasons.
You said you've kind of re-engineered it, as it were. There's a lot more in there than there was before. Why the need for change? What was missing before?
So I think it was starting to lose its credibility, particularly on the supply side. The approach that had been taken was very much absent of any economic logic.
Past few reports, every time the WNA report has come out, the forecast has got worse.
The fuel report is the best one that's come out in the last 7.
And I think one of the things that's made this report, and certainly an improvement, is that we've had a lot more involvement.
The forecasts are more, or the projections I should say, are more optimistic.
Right.
They've been raised, particularly the lower scenario. Right?
When you say they've been raised, what has been raised?
The forecast capacity of nuclear reactors operating and using uranium over the next 20 years.
Is it perfect?
No, there's still calls that it needs to talk about price.
Yeah.
To be fully effective. But what
Do you
it does,
agree?
of course, but it can't.
Why should people pay attention to this report? Does it give certainty to the marketplace, so therefore people start behaving a different way and therefore the equities react? Or is there something in it? WNA needs to up its game, it seems to me. This report needs to do more, doesn't it? Do you think the WNA needs to rethink the way that the report's being constructed again?